Hi Smarties, Miss Sailing and Dash here with your math lesson. It's actually a math game for today. But before I explain the math game, I want to start off by getting our brains warmed up, fired up with our number of the day. So if you saw yesterday's lesson, you saw that we did a number of the day. I'm going to do that before our math lessons to get our brains going and ready to go for the lesson. So our number of the day, and I have Sammy down here. He's really wanting to play, but he's going to have to wait. The number of the day, I'm going to see if you can guess it. Okay, it's an odd number. It's a two-digit number. There is a 3 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. What number is it? It's a two-digit number. It's an odd number. There's a 3 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. If you got 37, you are correct. And I'm going to show you down here on our number thing. And again, a 3 in the tens place, a 7 in the ones place. That means 3 longs, 7 ones, and you get 37. Nice job, Smarties. So, this is what you're going to do. Just like yesterday, set the timer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you are going to come up with as many ways as possible to show 37. Okay, here's your first way. You can write it out. And then think of all the ways that you came up with yesterday. Tally marks, showing it using longs and cubes, number line, number grid, 10 frames, a math equation, pictures, okay? Come up with as many different ways. We've done this before in the classroom, and you guys are really good at it. You get really creative. So, that's your first task for math. Then, when you're all done with that, go ahead and pause. Do that, then come back. But when you're all done with that, we are going to do a math game. You have played this math game in the classroom, and all you need is a deck of cards. Okay, so you have played this. There's 2 versions of it. There's Top It, or it's kind of like Top It, but it's which number is bigger, or Add It. So we have Top It and Add It. Top It is simply which number is bigger, the biggest number takes it. Kind of like war. But the only thing is you need to get rid of all of the face cards for Top It. Okay, so the face cards, queens, kings, jacks, jokers, aces can stay. Aces can stay, but all of the face cards need to go. So, make sure you get rid of those, and then you are ready to play. You are going to, divide up the cards, whether there's 2 of you playing, whether there's 3 playing. 4, you can play with 4. It gets a little much. We've always done it in the classroom with 2 or 3, and it works great. So, divide up the cards equally between the 2 of you. If I was playing with Dash here, he's going to be my partner. Okay, we would have our 2 stacks. Here's Dash, here's mine. And then we'll count to 3. This is Top It. This is the first option you can play. We would go 1, 2, 3, flip. And we're going to flip it over. And that's a tricky card. It's 2 sides. I didn't even see that card. Okay, I got a 10, and Dash got a 5. Which number is bigger? What is the greater number? 10. So I take Dash's card and I'm going to put it in a stack. It's now mine. Okay? 3, 2, 1, flip. Ooh, I got an 8, and Dash got a 2. Which number is bigger? 8. I take Dash's card and I put it in my pile. So you get the hint, you get the idea of the game. Okay, this is called Top It. The bigger number takes all. So if there was 3 playing, okay, I got a 7, Dash got a 6, and our other little friend got a 5. Okay, 7 is bigger than 6 and 5, take all. Now, you say, well, what if we get a war? Or what if we get the same number? Okay, we flip over, I can't. A 7. We flip over 2 7s. Okay, Dash and I, we both flipped over a 7. Okay, now we have a war. And you're not going to flip over 3 cards. You're just going to flip over the next card. So I flipped over the next card, and it was a 6. Dash flipped over his next card, and it was a 4. 6 is bigger than 4. I take all. Poor Dash. I didn't shuffle, so that might be why. It's a brand new deck. So, fun game, Top It. You can start off with Top It, and then you can switch to Add It. Okay? Add It is simply very similar to Top It, except for it's kind of a speed game. So, 3, 2, 1, flip. Okay? And the first person to add these 2 cards together, 5 plus 6, or turnaround fact, commutative property, 6 plus 5. The first one to get the sum, okay, wins, 11. So, if I beat Dash and I said 11 first, I take both cards and put them in my pile. Flip over, 3, 2, make sure you don't flip before your partner, just so you guys are on the same pace. But 3, 2, 1, flip. Okay, first one to say 15. Dash got it. He got 15. Okay, he takes it. 10 plus 5. 5 plus 10, 15. It's Dash's. So this is another one to practice your math facts. You get really, really fast at it. Aces. Aces are 1. Okay, so if you leave your aces in here, which you can, because in Top It, they're worth 1, and in Add It, aces are worth 1. So, 15, it's Dash's pile. Okay, when you get an ace, know that it is worth 1 for both Top It and Add It. An easy way for those of you, instead of using your fingers to sit there and count, okay, try to make 10. Okay, you know that 5 plus 5 is 10, which is 1 less than 6, and now all you have to do is add 1, 11. 1 more is 11, so you're making 10. Okay, or you see the little pictures on here. Okay, you can see the 6 diamonds and the 5 diamonds. You can quickly count those, but making 10 in your head, try not to use your fingers. So that's your goal for today, is to try not to use your fingers. So, start off with your number of the day. Hopefully you did that. And then you can play Top It to warm up your brains, and then you can switch to Add It. Like I said, Add It is a great way to practice your math facts and get quick at them. You can still play Add It if you want with 3 of you. It just is going to be a lot harder because now you're adding 3 numbers together. So you may want to take turns and just play 2 people for Add It. It's harder to do 3 because then you're adding in now 6 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, so it can be done, and it's kind of a good challenge, but make sure that you're ready. Make sure you've practiced using 2 before you add in the 3rd digit. So have fun with your math games today. That is Top It and Add It, and then I will explain another new math game next Friday. So Fridays are going to be our math game day. I think it's just a fun way to practice math. Math is everywhere. If you're cooking with mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt, sibling, if you're making a recipe, you're doing math. You're measuring. Math is all over. So you can even practice measuring different things, comparing different things. But today, it's just Fun Friday with math games. So enjoy these math games, and I will see you on Monday. Happy Friday. Happy weekend. Get out, get some fresh air, and remember to smile, Smarties. I miss you, and I will see you on Monday. Bye for now.